So I'm basically gonna pop the seal open. I'm using a tweezer because I don't have. Ooh. Okay, got it to open. This is the box, and a lot of people didn't get any note. I don't know why, but I got one. So this is basically all the products that they sent to me, and this is the styrofoam or all that thing, and then this is basically the items that I got. Oh my gosh, I didn't receive the so bad. Okay, the first thing that is in my box is this item. This is called the Skin&Co Roma Truffle Therapy Face Gommage. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it's basically described as a delicate exfoliating cream with a rich texture and soothing fragrance. Okay, so I'm guessing this is more of like a face wash. Like I said, I don't really like to change my skin regimen because I'm so scared that my face might get irritated by the product, and when that happens, my face is doomed. I'm really doomed. So, oh, and this product range from, so this product is really $28. So yeah, so let's just open this up. It has the seal to it. I just want to smell it. It says it has fragrance on it. I smell something, but it's not really like a harsh smell. It's very natural, so I guess I will be excited to try it. So the second thing is this item. So this is called the Dr. Brandt Skincare. It's a 24-hour eye cream. It's to, it eliminates the eye contour, helps smooth away lines. It helps reduce moisture loss. So I guess it's for under your eye. I'm actually excited for this because I have wrinkles under my eyes. Yes, I do. Hopefully this will kind of like help it out. Yeah. Oh, I keep forgetting to tell you guys how much it costs. Whoa, this costs $55. It's actually like the full size. $55. So this thing gotta work. This thing gotta work. It doesn't have like a strong smell, but it does smell like lemonish. I'm very excited about this. Yes, this thing is $55, so this thing better snatch me up, baby. The third thing that I got in this box is this item. I love Too Faced, so I'm very excited for this. So this is the Too Faced Cosmetic Diamond Light Highlighter. This retails for $36, and this is like the full size. We're gonna open this because I actually didn't put any highlighter, so we're gonna try this out. How do you open this? I don't know how to open this. It has a seal to it, and I didn't know that. There you go. Ta-da! This is really nice. It looks like a would you marry me? Yes, I will, Too Faced. This is really nice. This is a very nice packaging. So this is basically the product, and it looks like a hologram. Like it looks purple, like a lavender color, and then it's pink, but then it's like this gold color. So I'm about to swatch it for you guys. It looks cute, but I feel like it might be too ashy for me. Ooh. Nah, okay, I lied. This looks really bomb. up, so this is gonna definitely be in my kit. This is the Grande cosmetic mascara, and this retails for $25. So this is kind of pricey for a mascara, not gonna lie. And like, again, I always go for the Maybelline's mascara because it's like, again, it's very inexpensive. It's probably like $8–9. So yeah, this is pretty much really expensive for a mascara. Oh, this is really nice. Okay guys, so the fifth thing that is in this box, it is called the Radiance Sleeping Mask. So it reduces wrinkles and fine lines. Whoa, guys. This product retails for $107. I'm really shocked. Like, I didn't think they was gonna put that much worth of a product in this box. Damn, this is a lot. So basically, this is a sleeping mask, and it works to reveal more of a youthful and beautiful skin overnight. So it says allowed to absorb into the skin, no need to wash off. This is $107. Like, this is worth the $25 subscription for Boxy Charm. Well, that was pretty much everything that was in my box for January, and I'm basically going to add up everything to show you guys how much my box really cost. Too Faced highlighter that I showed you guys, which retails for $36. Sorry guys, my camera didn't have enough space, so I had to go back and delete some stuff. So yeah, like I said, the Too Faced highlighter was $36. Then the Dr. Brandt skincare eye cream, which retails for $55. Then you have the Skin&Co Roma, which retails for $28. So we already passed $100 with those three products. Then you have the Avant skincare sleeping mask, which is $107, plus the Grande mascara that retails for $25. So my box cost $251. So this is pretty much my January's box, and I actually really like this box. I didn't think my box was this expensive. My January box is a yay. I will basically leave everything down below the description box of, again, all the things that I have in this box and with the pricing, and I'm gonna just, you know, put anything that I need to put down in the description box. And that basically sums up my video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment, leave any questions that you might have, and yeah, so I really do like my Boxy Charm. Bye guys.